in Google Earth by default, when you double click on a folder, it'll bring you to a view of the world that has everything that's inside that folder in the view. That may not be where you want to start, and for this case that's not the case for me. In the Ancient Denvers or Dinosaur Ridge VFE, there's some other sites around the world to show similar places, but that's not where I want to start. I want to start just getting some context in the more regional view. In order to change the view, you right-click on the folder, and it looks different on Macs than it does on PCs. On a Mac that I'm using, I get Info as a choice, Get Info. On a PC, you'll see Properties. Those do the same things on the two different platforms, and that allows you to edit information about the particular elements you're talking about. And that right-click works for not just folders, but for placemarks, overlays, paths, whatever you've put in there. And that's actually a polygon. That's the overlay. And what I want to do is change the view. And so I'm going to zoom in, give myself that contextual view. I've turned on a couple of placemarks just so that it's easier to see what I'm doing here. And what I want to include is Dinosaur Ridge and Garden of the Gods. We'll focus on Dinosaur Ridge, but make a mention of Garden of the Gods. And that also shows the front range of the Colorado Rockies. You can see a little bit of the states around Colorado as well. So that's a good view to start with, gives good context. And you click on Snapshot Current View. Sometimes this stuff changes. It's a mystery to me why it doesn't always change. Then you click OK. And if you go out somewhere else and take a view of wherever, and then double click on your folder, it should bring you back to that view that you just set. Like so. Perfect. And that's all there is to it. And there you go.